Bicol University. Sila ay naririto upang magbahagi ng kanilang mga makahulugang mensahe. Each of our respected sectoral representatives will be given 3 minutes for their messages of felicitations.
Please welcome to represent the Bicol University alumni, Honorable Geraldine B. Rosal, incoming City Mayor of Legazpi and BU alumni.
Good morning. Kanina po, grabe sa nervyos ko. Alagad ka na, hiling ko na nagbarayli sa mga headcount offices. Medyo nawara-wara sa nervyos ko. Lalo na nahiling ko nagbayli ang sa kuyang former professor, Ma'am Helen. Professor ko po siya sa College of Education. To our President of Bicol University, Arnulfo Mascareñas, sir. To the former presidents, my former professors, to the faculties, the honored BU alumni exemplars, the students, friends, ladies and gentlemen, Diyos maray na aga po sa Indigo Boss. I am deeply honored and privileged to be invited to join on your 53rd anniversary celebration of the founding of Bicol University. I am proud to be here with you on this day because it makes me feel nostalgic. I must gladly say that I once walked around the campus of Bicol University for many years back. That is while I was a student of this prestigious institution. Proudly I say that Bicol University has made me to reach where I am today. As an alumnus myself and standing before you, it is my pleasure to mix with you today on this wonderful occasion, which marks the full establishment of Bicol University after 53 years. A highly notable lineage to the, so to speak, of such a great improvement and dimensional outstanding growth, which prove its dignified worthiness in keeping the light of education shines out massively over the region. Bicol University has shown great achievements in the field of education of different courses. Most importantly, Bicol University has contributed in giving high honor and prestige not only to the province of Albay, but throughout the region. Many of your graduates have had made top accomplishments and achievements in passing the many national board examinations such as engineering, architecture, accountancy, medicine, education, arts and letters, journalism, and other courses. This evidently and clearly recognizes that Bicol University has distinguished in achieving widely and deeply influencing the stratum of the country. Besides providing wide advantages to most deserving students, most especially from the poor sector of our society, aspiring to finish their own careers in spite of poverty. I, therefore, warmly join you, combine with great felicitations in your 53rd founding anniversary celebration, praising highly your chosen theme, focus on creating one family, one community, one Bicol University. This brings to the fore an ideal direction, a true emblem of sculpting the real world over its aim to achieve greatness and most fairly unity. I deeply thank all the officials, of course led by our president, all the faculties of the different bachelor courses and administrative staffs for having shown their unhampered commitment, dedication, and sincerity to serve and elevate with high expectations this our beloved alma mater. But most of all, the young ones studying in this well-loved Bicol University. I know and we all know that these young ambitious youths enrolled in Bicol University are the growing hopes who will one day soon shall become the future leaders in the next generations. More so, I am fully confident that you are doing all your real efforts, shaping and leading the youth of today towards their clamor to see a bright future and bringing about one family, one community, one Bicol University. In closing, let me express this quote, which I always bear in mind, and I quote, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." I owe what I am today to Bicol University, for it has changed the world where I am now. Again, thank you very much for inviting me, and congratulations to Bicol University. God bless to all of you.
Thank you very much, our City Mayor, G. Rosal, for always keeping Bicol University close to your heart. So once more, ladies and gentlemen, Bicol University family, let's give a warm round of applause to Honorable Geraldine B. Rosal, incoming City Mayor of Legazpi, and BU alumna, particularly BU College of Education. At this point, I'd like to request our dear President and the 4 Vice Presidents to please come on stage, and I'd like also to request Mayor G to please come up the stage. We shall be awarding the Certificate of Commendation and the token. Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Legazpi City. Certificate of Appreciation awarded to Geraldine B. Rosal, incoming City Mayor of Legazpi and BU alumna, for her invaluable presence and sharing her message of felicitation during the 53rd founding anniversary Charter Day of Bicol University with the theme, BU Pag-Onra 2022, One Family, One Community, and One Bicol University, held on the 21st of June 2022 at Bicol University, Legazpi City, Albay. Signed, Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, SOC President Hall.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Geraldine B. Rosal. And to give this message of felicitation, please welcome the President of the Bicol University Union of Faculty Association and member, Board of Regents, Engineer Fernand D. Matera. A round of applause, please.
To our dynamic and very supportive BU President, Dr. Arnulfo Mascareñas, to the former presidents and BU administrators, ma'am, sir, to the hardworking VPs, deans, and directors, to the participative and industrious faculty members and non-teaching staff, to my colleagues in the Board of Regents members, Regent Gary Zamora, Regent Edgar Barameda, Regent Mark Louis Aller, to our distinguished and honored guests, especially to our incoming Legazpi City Mayor, Geraldine G. Rizal. Dear students and friends, a blessed morning. In behalf of BUUFAI, we express our deepest congratulations to Bicol University as we celebrate today the 53rd Charter Day of our beloved university. For more than 5 decades of existence as premier university in Bicol region, we BUenos definitely shares of ups and downs that have somehow tested our resilience to confront the trials and challenges that stood in the way in our quest for excellence. Despite of this, still we are able to comply with the quality and standards in producing graduates anchored with our 4 pillars: scholarship, leadership, character, and service. It is because of the unity and sharing that we have extended with each other. And most of all, God did not leave us in those trying times. Also, we are in gratitude with the past and present administrations for always doing their best, and also for hearing or considering the thoughts, sentiments, and suggestions of faculty members in order to come up with policies or solutions that would benefit the BU community as a whole. Let us be reminded that in order to continuously maintain excellence or even surpass the present and past achievements, we always need the right connection and relationship. The right connection and relationship with our stakeholders. The right connection and relationship with various public and private institutions, agencies, organizations, or offices. And above all, the right connection and relationship with our Almighty God. For without Him, we are nothing. Again, congratulations to all of us. May we continue to embrace the challenges, reach for the stars, and strive for excellence for our beloved university. Truly, we are one family, one community, and one university. God bless us, and mabuhay Bicol University.
Diyos Makalot Engineer Fernan B. Guimatera. And now let's listen to the President of the Bicol University Association of Non-Teaching Staff. Please welcome on stage Miss Mary Jane Vicuña.
Truly, pagsarap kita gabos, naligawan ng gabos, naligawan ko na ako pala the talk in front of you. Inubos ko gabos na energy ko because of we are together. Dr. Arnoldo M. Mascareñas, who were very able, dynamic, and supportive, compassionate President for, and to other key officials of the Bicol University, our distinguished guests, to our keynote speaker, Honorable Noel Rizal, City Mayor of Legazpi City and incoming Governor of Albay. A special recognition to our esteemed guests, Honorable Geraldine B. Rizal, Madam, BU alumna and incoming City Mayor of Legazpi.
dear colleagues, guests and friends, warmest greetings to all of you. This is a momentous. We gather as one family and community, one Bicol University. A momentous occasion. We witness and are part of the beautiful history of our beloved Bicol University. Today, we celebrate our founding anniversary, our Charter Day. 50 years today, Bicol University has been steadfast in initiating and delivering innovative strategies of growth primarily through instruction, research, and extension. With authentic gratitude, we celebrate our Charter Day founding anniversary as we look back on the road we traveled and the blessings we received along the way. Indeed, our hearts overflow with pride for the fruits of our collective toil. Fruits that are mirrored in the lives that have been shaped by scholarship, leadership, character, and service. And we all inspire to continue working hand in hand towards better, happier, more progressive, inclusive, and noble community. Ining selebrasyon sa Unra, asin pagpranga sa mga Bicolano nag-iskusar, na-establisar ang institusyon na matao, magtao, nagtao, magtatao, ning pag-asa, maedukar, ning pag-asa, kauswagan, kagabsan, bako sana ng sadiri o pamilya. Sinda nagpamana, nin mas mahalaga sa kayamanan, sa inot, sa gabos, tinawanan, ang Bicolano, nin katalingkasan, nin isip, prinsipyo, asin balor. Sa katotohanan, asin iso na ipaglaban sa kasadarayanes. We take part sa onra ng ini as we live dreams of our labor to ensure the distinctive excellence of the Bicolano in particular, the Filipino in general. Thus, with my BUAN's family, the Association of Non-Teaching Staff, may I request you all with me to join me. The non-teaching staff, please come with me, please. May we call you in with me to join me, please. Please stand up. The non-teaching staff. Hello, non-teaching staff. Please all rise. Okay, yes. Can you come with me to join me, please? Please, non-teaching. Come. Non-teaching. Okay, please stand up and please join me. Non-teaching, where are you? Okay. Magpalakpak po kita ng masigabon. Okay. Let us all allow to warmly greet one and all. Happy founding anniversary! Mabuhay Bicol University! Bicol University, padayon!
Dos Números Miss Mary Jane Vicuña. Bicol University, are you ready now for the Bicol University Magayon Dance Troupe?
At this point, ladies and gentlemen, friends, Bicol University family, we have with us our keynote speaker for this 53rd founding anniversary Charter Day celebration. Please welcome the Honorable Noel E. Rosal, Mayor of Legazpi City and incoming Governor, Province of Albay.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Sabi ko kay President Noli, wala ka namang dalang speech. Pero I just want to inspire everyone. I hopefully. Of course, panapakan muna natin, President Noli Mascareñas. Our former presidents. Palakasin na, malakas, former president. Sabi ko sa iba, I will just acknowledge you as former president para baka may malingawan ako. Budangin pa sa inda, kanang presidente, akiun pa ako, baka tayo pangalan ako. Of course, we have guest, si G. Rosal, an alumni of Bicol University. And of course, Director Sales, si my brother, Gani Zamora, dentist. Ano ba? Hindi ka mo nag-graduate? All the members of the administration, all the teaching and non-teaching personnel, according to your president, 1,000 plus strong members of Bicol University. To everyone, happy 53rd Bicol University Charter Day. Diba? Alam niyo, bago ko umakyat, declare ko ginaray, we have to, of course, remember the past. Kung paano kita nagsimula. Diba? Sabi, according to President Noli, siyempre, our very own Congressman Papa Imperial, diba? Congressman Alberto, and in the Senate, tawag ba yun? Senator Icona sponsored the creation of Bicol University. And the rest is history. You know, bako lang si Mayor at taga Bicol University. But I tell you, mas isa na akong magduma, pag inapot ko, sa ikano ay nag-graduate na, biyo mo yan, pag biyo, matibay, pag biyo. Pag sinabi ko, magkaroon mo pati sa matibay, talagang proud siya, at Bicol University siya. That's why today, as we gathered for this 53rd anniversary, I would like to ask everyone, let us pause and reflect of how far we have gone in the mission and vision of this university. Kasi ang answer of this will be always those that we have already accomplished and siyempre the things that we have yet to accomplish. But for me, the important thing of celebration of anniversary is we have to treasure the special moments sa mga natabangan ta, lalo-lalo na sa mga less fortunate children or students that are now so successful in their own chosen field of career. Maybe here, and some of them, or most of them, are already abroad. And this is about giving opportunities for everyone. That's why, as a local chief executive, it's always a big opportunity also for me to have also, or to give also our counterpart in order to attain and continue the services of Bicol University. And Bicol University will always be considered as one of the best state university in the Philippines. Palakpakan po natin ang ating natin. And this we owe, of course, to the administration, the Board of Regents who is guiding us, and of course, siyempre ang ating non-teaching and teaching personnel. And today, as we gathered again in this momentous event, I would like to ask everyone, let us continue to be of service. Let us continue to inspire young men and women to contribute their ideals for the betterment of mankind. Iyan ang napakahalaga sa atin. You know, the past 2 years, life has been so abnormal for all of us. Di natin nakalain that unfaithful March 16 when President Duterte announces the lockdown throughout the country. Nobody thought, walang mayaman, walang magaling, walang mahirap, walang mahina. And that taught us a lesson that what is important is how we share to our fellow human. And as today, ang pinakamalaga na napakadapat natin natutunan is how we can be of more service to our people. As we gathered also today, I would like to congratulate the men and women who work for this institution, yung mga nag-retire na, especially our past presidents, and sabi yung mga past mentors natin, professors, who are now retired, that really have contributed for this institution. So today, also, as your new elected governor, I would like to assure everyone, because you have a lot of campuses in Albay, so rest assured of my support, especially our different universities, different campuses in Albay. So with this, to everyone, I would like to congratulate you and looking forward to our centennial. Centennial na ang pagta para kita makapagtao in more opportunities for everyone. Right now, as your RDC chair for Bicol, as the Regional Development Council chairman for Bicol, we have a lot to be store for all of us. No? The PNR already started, and hopefully to finish by 2024. I tell you, my friends, this will be a game changer again for Bicol. Pagdagdalagan na ang satuyang PNR, this will not only move people, this will not only move passengers, but this will move our products. Ini ang satuyang Ginibo. The International Airport now is operational. And we have one more very important project that is now in the can, the PR5 project, that will shorten the trip from Manila to Legazpi by only 7 hours. No? I-open po natin yan para sa ating lahat. So once again, to everyone, congratulations, and it's nice to see our past presidents, past mentors gathered in order for the improvement of whatever we can share for this institution. Because whatever we do, whatever efforts we will do today will be beneficial to the next generation. So again to everyone, congratulations, mabuhay. Just recently, we were divided. Our country was divided during the election. And ako, I'm being honest, mga Bicolano na kita, although our bet did not win, but what is important, the people have spoken. And what makes Filipinos unique, we are here again. Makikita-kita na naman sa mga nagkamarana, again, to continue our services to our people. So yan dapat kita ng mga leader. And this we owe to our people. Okay? So to everyone, congratulations. God bless. As we go back to the new normal, sana labos kita ready to face it. Salamat po.
Thank you, Honorable Romuald E. Rizal, City Mayor of Legazpi and incoming Governor of the Province of Albay, for being in one of the strongest productive partners of the Bicol University family. May we request President Enrique of Jimenez and the 4 Vice Presidents to be on stage for the awarding of certificate and giving of token to our dear guests.
Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Legazpi City, Certificate of Appreciation is awarded to Honorable Noel E. Rizal, Mayor, Legazpi City, and incoming Governor, Province of Albay, as keynote speaker during the 53rd founding anniversary Charter Day of Bicol University, and for insightfully imparting his knowledge on the theme BU Pag-Onra 2022, One Family, One Community, One Bicol University, held on the 21st of June 2022 at Bicol University. Gaspi Albay. Signed, Arnulfo M. Mascareñas, Sub-President Corps. Thank you very much to the Honorable Noel E. Rosal.
Round of applause for Honorable Noel E. Rosal. And now let's listen to the Commission on Higher Education Commissioner Aldrin A. Darila.
May I invite everyone to watch the video message of our CHED Commissioner, Aldrin A. Darila, on the occasion of our 53rd founding anniversary Charter Day celebration.
Sir, excuse po, ang lunch po, pwede po sir sa...
While we're fixing some technical glitches, we would like to thank again Honorable Geraldine B. Rosal and Honorable City Mayor of Legazpi, Noel E. Rosal, for gracing our 53rd founding anniversary. Thank you very much. A round of applause, everyone, to our guests.
We would perhaps play the video message of our CHED Commissioner later when the technical glitch is fixed. So maybe request that we turn off the... Okay, thank you.
So for another message of felicitation, please welcome the President of the Bicol University General Alumni Association and member of the Bicol